How to change personal account to business account on Pinterest. Unlocking the full potential of Pinterest presence starts with transforming your personal account into a business powerhouse. Follow this step-by-step tutorial to seamlessly switch gears and harness the marketing magic of a Pinterest business account. Let's go through the steps to change your personal account to a business account on Pinterest. So let's open the Pinterest application and then make sure to log in to your account. Once you have done that, you need to access to the profile at the bottom right corner of your Pinterest account. Now once you reach on the section, select the profile at the top left corner of the screen. You will see different kinds of settings option here. Simply you need to open the account management option. Then on this section you will see convert to a business account. You can grow your business or brands with tools like ads and analytics on this page. So let's tap on it and then tap on convert account. Here you need to add your profile name to help people find and follow your business or brand. So let's do it. Then tap on the next button once you are done with that, and if you have a website you can add your website and it will appear on your profile. If you don't have any website yet, you can select no website yet button at the bottom of the screen. Now you can describe your business. Then tap on the next button once you have done that. So if you wish to run ads on Pinterest, you can simply choose any option like yes, I'm interested in advertising, or you haven't planned yet, then you can select no, I'm not planning to advertise, or if you are not sure, you can select I'm not sure yet and tap on the next button. Once you have completed all the 8 steps, your personal account will be easily converted or changed to business account on Pinterest. So that's how you can elevate your Pinterest presence and unlock features tailored for businesses, making it easier to connect with your audience and achieve your goals. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.